morning, this is Garrett, A3 Customs. Today we're here with Isaiah, and he's going to give you a little bit of insight on this Aces fuel kit that is phenomenal that we do install on about every build we have. We just bought 2 more yesterday. Shout out to Patrick for selling them to us, man. We're really going to install and how good these kits are.
It's pretty straightforward. You take off your factory intake, you bolt on their Aces EFI aluminum intake. They supply their own fuel rails, injectors, wiring harness, map sensor, all the sensors you'll need. It comes up to one big bulkhead that goes to, this goes to your computer, and you've got about 10 wires to figure out where they go. And besides that, this thing will fire off first try. First one might be a little tricky trying to figure out how to actually enable the program, but besides that, this thing's worked phenomenally for us.
Yeah, and these guys, you call them, you got a little technical question, you call them, and they're pretty good. For these DIY guys that do them in their house, I mean, these kits are pretty well plug and play. But we sell these kits here exclusively at A3 Customs, and we install them for you, man. Isaiah can put one on your kit, on whatever kit you want, and you know, Kern can do it. These guys are really good at these things. They're starting to get really good. So, I mean, these things are amazing. There's a couple grounds I think you have to put on. Other than that, that's it. You can come over here and look at our how nice he's got this harness ran on these injectors and on all these coils. We have the valve cover, you know, the coil cover on that side over there, but I mean, this side here is phenomenal, and everything is tucked away nice and clean. It all comes out of the back of the engine nice and clean. Yeah, so I mean, that's good for the DIY guys, and they're really priced effectively. I mean, hey guys, remember to like and subscribe to the page at A3 Customs. Always hammer that like button. Like and subscribe to the page. Now back to the video. And always remember, guys, on these kits here, they do come with trans controllers, so you can run the 4L80E, the 4L60s, all them. I mean, they come with all that. So you just ask when you call to order these kits, just tell them what kind of application you're putting this thing on or what you're running it for, and these guys have it. It's all adapted up. I cannot wait till they come out with the modular stuff. When they come out with the Coyote stuff, man.
4.6s as well. I heard they're working on that kit.
That's good. That's a good deal. Now we just don't have to run, you know, the carbureted style intake and run that, you know, the Joker kit. But these right here, like I said, the LS platforms are amazing. They come with the controllers for your transmissions. So just keep that in mind when you order them. Just tell them what you need, and them guys will help you get this thing done at Aces. I mean, these things are not. I mean, for a little less than $2 grand on some of these kits, man, you can do your own. I would suggest if it's a DIY guy, you know, agree with me or don't, whatever, but the fuel systems, like, you know, just buy the master kit with their fuel system and everything involved. But we kind of build our own because every kit we have is different as far as fuel tanks and where we're going to mount the tanks and all. But for the most part, I mean,
Pretty simple.
Pretty simple, plug and play, man. Shout out to Aces. Give these guys a call if you want to buy direct from them, but if you want to buy from us, we can help you out. We'll get you a little bit of a deal on these kits, and we can install them for you. Just come see us, A3 Customs, man. Here, Isaiah, we'll talk to you. Isaiah can put one on for you.